On Tuesday, the Meghalaya Cabinet had amended various Office Memorandum with regards to job reservation, which include the Office Memorandum of the Personnel Department on Reservation Policy and Reservation Roster, the modification of the Office Memorandum issued in 1974 with regards to the vacancies reserved for Garo categories, whereby the vacancies that arise for the Garo category will be filled by candidates from within the state, the amendment of the Office Memorandum of 2020 with regards to reservation roster for persons with disabilities, where the reservation of the PWDs have been fixed as per definite point in the reservation roster, and the added provision to the Office Memorandum of the Reservation Policy for candidates applying for vacancies at the district level, which mandates that the candidates applying through the District Selection Committee qualify in the local language of the district.
So the OM will be set aside, as it is being observed that most of the vacancies reserved for Garo categories have been and are being filled by qualified candidates from the Garo category who are available from within the state. So we have deleted the Office Memorandum which allowed Garos living outside the state of Meghalaya being eligible for applying for jobs in the state of Meghalaya. A third OM has also been looked at, and we have amended this. The OM of 2020 on reservation roster for persons with disabilities. It was notified then. However, with the issue of the new OM dated 14/6/23, the reservation for persons with disabilities have been fixed as per definite points in the reservation roster, and hence the previous OM will not be applicable henceforth. A proviso also has been added to this new reservation roster, provision of para 2. And in view of this, it has been found necessary that this proviso should also entail paragraph 2 to the OM incorporating a qualification paper, that is knowledge of local language, to be included for recruitment of categories of posts which fall under the purview of the District Selection Committee. So these were few things that were decided and